Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I have here a couple of boxes from Louis Vuitton, and actually 2 more boxes have also arrived, but I just don't have it with me. As you can see, my filming background is a little different because I am traveling. I have a few weddings around this time of the year, so I'm on the road, but I did manage to get a hold of these and I wanted to share it with you. If you've been following me and seen my YouTube short, you'll know that I went to the Louis Vuitton Ranch in Texas, so a little bit outside of Dallas. It's the Rochambeau Ranch, and I, at that event, picked up a few things. Actually, there were a lot of things I picked up that were home related, and those I still have to go pick up. But these are the ones that I'm very excited because, well, one of them is for my husband, so I will just take a picture of what that looks like because it's for him to unbox and look at, so I'm not going to do that one, but I do have one for myself here, which I will unbox here. And there is a little envelope for certificate. So yeah, if you would like to see what I got, continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. Like I said, today is an unboxing, and I will insert a clip of what my husband got. He actually got a few things, and I think he may be deciding what he wants to keep, but I am excited about this one. This one's actually quite heavy, this box. It's not supposed to be a very big item, and yet it is very, very heavy. So I have this receipt. Yep, it's a Sencel receipt. Okay, cool. And then here's the box. I have not seen this item ever. There was a lookbook, and by the time we got to the event, it was actually not available to see. So yeah, I don't know if you can notice this box has a special square in the front. I've never seen that before. Because I bought other types of special pieces from Louis Vuitton and have not seen that one, at least not to my memory. So, oh, so the square actually like comes through, as you can see. So I guess it's not magnetic. Yeah. All right. And then you can see it is a special dust bag. All right. So usually the Louis Vuitton dust bags have Louis Vuitton written across. This one, you can see it's kind of, actually, I don't know if you can see, it's very lightly embroidered Louis Vuitton on there. It's raised, so I could actually feel it. And then I'm excited to finally take a look. Okay. To reveal the Louis pochette. Now this pochette is very special. I don't know if you can kind of see why. It does come in a slightly different normal style, but this one has these crystal strassing right here. So it kind of it's a very nice evening bag because it kind of shimmers, as you can see where the LV logo is. But this material is also lizard, so that's why it gives off like that really beautiful shine. And I'll just hold it closer and hopefully it'll capture it, but you can see the grain of the lizard. So there we go. It's also in the back. I think it's really hard to capture on camera. And then here's a slip pocket. You can see that there's 2 D-rings right here, which of course there's going to be a strap inside, magnetic closure, and I think this is the strap. Here's more documentation. Here is the very heavy, oh, if this is the chain, let me check out what that is. And then I have a little tag right here, and on the inside it's going to be hard to see because it's black lined, but there's a slip pocket and then a very big pocket right here. So this is made in Italy, and this material, like I said, is lizard, and it just looks like the perfect evening bag, which I will probably be using this weekend. So let me look at the bags and what it contains. Okay, so this little one is the chain. This chain is quite heavy. So this chain can be attached to the D-rings that you saw right here. So I could wear it as a clutch, but I can also wear it as, you know, a little shoulder bag, which is great. I can put it on for you really quick to show you. So it is not that long of a strap, but I show you to you. It's like the perfect size for like an evening bag. And I love that you can remove it, but if, let's say, I all of a sudden was wearing it and I was like, okay, I actually don't want the strap anymore, I could just toss it in here like you normally can with a lot of clutches that don't have a removable chain. So there we go. And this one can actually fit quite a bit. The camera that I'm filming with, which is a Canon, it will also fit in here. So you can definitely fit a lot in this small clutch. It's not just a wallet on chain. Okay, I'm excited to see what's in here as well, because this one has the special Louis Vuitton tag. Oh, I see. Okay, so here we go. There is exotic leather, so there's a tag here for it. These are all tags for it. Okay, so there is actually this leather strap. So this one is the same leather. I don't know if you can see, it has that same kind of sheen to it, and it matches the leather on here. So it is adjustable, which is great. If you wanted to wear this a little bit more casually, you can. So like, let's say you are traveling and you don't want to bring so many different bags. Well, yeah, you can bring this one and wear it 3 ways as a clutch, or as like a short shoulder strap, or use this long crossbody strap. So let me put this one on and then also show you what it looks like. All right, so here it is attached. And of course you can adjust it, so it is not on the shortest yet, but let me just try this out. So if I wore it crossbody, it kind of hits, this is my hip right here. So it actually hits me at a really good spot. And I can grab stuff in it like that. And then if I wore it just on the shoulder, it also fits really nicely, but I can of course shorten it or lengthen it as well. So this is a great bag. I actually think I can wear it. So I'm going to go to the rehearsal now, and I think rehearsal, this is perfect. You can see that it's more dressed down, and then the rehearsal lunch, I can also wear it. But for the wedding, I probably will wear either it with this chain or just as a clutch. And so you can see as a clutch, like it would look so nice just under the arm like that. So yeah, I'm really loving this. I was actually choosing between a piece like this or I believe there was another capucines that caught my attention, but the capucine is a style that I already have in 2 sizes, and so I thought, you know, getting a different style would be better. I had come into the event wanting a lizard piece. I have forever gotten pieces that were just, you know, lambskin, calf skin, goat skin, but I've never gotten exotics. And so I think it was like last year or the year before, that's when we got the Karong leather, which is a water snake. So I don't like the python because it lifts, but these ones are very, very beautiful. So yeah, and then the style, like I said, has this back pocket, which can fit my phone. I think it is very nice compared to like some other wallet on chains that you have the slip pocket, so you don't always have to get into the bag. But if you did, it's a very easy, like, you know, way to open it, but to close it's also very easy because it doesn't have to be full for you to like use the magnetic snap to keep it shut. You don't have to like press down. So yeah, overall I was debating back and forth because I thought the style was very simple and almost not like special enough, like the capucines or like the Rose d'Avant. Those are styles that I've gotten in the past. I was looking at something a little bit more unique in shape, but I think this was a good choice because it is very classic and you just can bring it all over. It's super easy to use as well for multiple occasions. And so I think I'll get a lot more use out of this than if I got another capucines or another Rose d'Avant. So yeah, I'm gonna take a few more looks at it, and I'll try to do close-up shots as well for you because it's really hard to capture the beautiful leather and the sheen and just everything about it. It also feels very like substantial and beautiful. So if you are interested in this style but not in the exotic leathers, I know this one does come in a regular calfskin, I believe. So if I can find that on the Louis Vuitton website, I'll link it in the description box below. Like I said, there are a few more items coming that are bigger items because there are more home pieces. So if you would like to see what I picked up from the event as well, I will probably do a subsequent video once I get those items in. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you would like to see the event, I will link that short under in the description box below as well. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.